Okay. I'm officially inviting you all to guys, invite ko po kayo guys na pwede nyo pong i-follow po yung page po ng Velvet VB Gluta White by Joms. This one po guys. You can check it out guys. You can check it out. Okay. Just this one guys. VB Gluta White by Joms. Follow nyo po guys.